Um, okay, I think we're live. Oh shoot, where's my phone? Oh gosh, I don't know where my phone went. I kind of need that for chat. Let me just put this on Unity so you guys have something to look at. Phone? Sir phone? Oh gosh. Hey, I'm live and I don't know where my phone is for chat. Okay, I found my phone. I'm sorry, I'm back. 1 second. Whenever I start a stream, there's always something wrong. Oh my god. Okay, I think we're good though. I am live, which is a good sign. I don't think there's anyone in chat, which is good because that typically means. Okay, I don't think anyone's joined. I think we're good. Okay. Can I full screen this by any chance so you guys don't have to look at? Okay, what we can do is we can go over here. And we can just. That might work. Look at that. Okay. Hey guys, how's it going? It is me, TNTeon. You probably read the title before clicking. If not, I respect your dedication to this channel, I guess. But today we're actually working in Unity, which should be interesting. I don't do Unity that much. Here, you know what, I'm just gonna... Oh wait, that's probably not what I want. Where's the link? I'm just gonna send this in the Discord really fast. Hi Claw. Hi dude, how's it going? Where is link? Link polls? Okay. I'm just gonna do it via my phone. I don't even really have to do this, but... Oh! I'm live currently.
Hi, sorry.
Hi, you're good.
I was just here to scare Allie.
That's fine. So how are you guys doing? How was everyone's day? Oh gosh, I have to cough. I'm gonna go on mute. Mute.
My water bottle's not even in here.
Where's your water bottle?
It's in Allie's room.
Go get that water bottle. Stay hydrated. Anyways, okay. I think we're almost ready to get going. We're just gonna put that in really fast. Alright. That's sending the wrong thumbnail. That's too bad. Hello. How's it going, guys? I'm actually gonna start programming now. It should be interesting. Hopefully. I don't really know what I'm doing, quite honestly. I started with C# about 4 days ago. Maybe. Honestly, maybe less. I have not done much. I started on a basic game. I have an idea in mind. It's Portal inspired. Like, definitely Portal inspired. And we're gonna see what happens. 1 second, let me move my mic. Mic has been securely moved to a new position. And I'm sorry if you guys are hearing horrible noises now. Okay. You guys shouldn't be able to hear music. I have music going in the background. I just like some music while I'm programming. So if you guys do not know, this is Unity. This is what it looks like. Unity is based in C#, like I just stated not that long ago. Something I don't really know how to work. I'm a Lua programmer. I know Lua. That's about it. For 15, knowing a programming language is not that bad, I don't think. So I'll show you guys my game. If we hit the play button, should probably... Oh, it's already set to maximize. Okay, great. So you can see, I can move with WASD. I can look around with my mouse. I can jump. I can't jump that high, though. The cool thing about this game is the special feature about it is if I press E, all of a sudden, gravity is turned off. And voila. And I can press WASD. I'm pressing it right now. And I'm not moving anywhere. You have to be on the ground in order to move. So that's how this works. If I go down here again, you can just press E to turn gravity back on. There's also a little window. You're supposed to be in a testing facility like Portal. I took a lot of inspiration from Portal. So this is technically a one-way mirror. I know it looks really poor quality, the reflection does. That will change with the actual game when it's actually, like, done. But the fun part is, if you go on walls, you can see you kind of stick to it, and you can actually move on these. It gives you a little place to hold on to, which is fun. And then if I shoot myself out, yeah, now I can't move again because I'm not touching any wall or the ground. Let's see what people are saying. Wait. Yeah, sup. Hi, I'm waiting. Wait for what? Hi, how's it going? Bad to the bone, JJC2. Also, hi, Misty the Peppermint. Zik says, you should look into the game. V. I'm guessing you're just messing with me. Anyway, so that's my game. Once again, testing facility, whatnot. I'm trying to make a door right here. This is the door. It's flush with the wall. And it's proving to be very challenging. So if we go to that door and we get the script for that door. Script. Can we not open you from here? Okay, that's fine. We'll go to our scripts folder. We'll do it the manual way. It's fine. So this is what I have going on for the door. I hope everything works out when it comes to switching view. I'm not messing with you. It's a game. Okay, is that actually the number of V's that are in it? Who's gonna remember that many V's? Anyways, so this should open up a little editing thing for you guys. A little coding. There it is. Alright, perfect. It's working. Wait, did I say Misty earlier? Yeah, I meant Minty. Wait. Yeah, Minty. I don't know why I said Misty. I can't read. I might have dyslexia. I don't really know. I should get tested on, quite honestly. But this is the code. So what's happening here is if basically a collider, if it detects me and it's like a little box area, it should open. It should theoretically open. That's not happening right now. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get this to run and pause the animation. Here, I should just show you guys what happens. So theoretically, if we join, I'm over here, if we get close to the door, somewhere along here. Oh, parameter open does not exist. I think I actually changed it to open door. So let me change that. There we go. And now this should work. Just need to wait for it to save fully. No, but look it up. You'll want to see it. I will actually look it up then. I suppose. I should change mouse sensitivity. Okay, there we go. That's the door. The problem is, it quite obviously opens and closes way too fast. I don't even know if oh, there we go. I can get through it. Yeah, so it's not a great door yet. Let me look up that game really fast, though. So, okay, we'll change that. We'll change that error. No one worry about that error. I know what I'm doing. Okay, so let me change this to so that didn't work. We can change it to Overwatch, I guess. Oh wait, no, you guys will be able to hear my music. I need to turn off my music. No, there's so much copyright everywhere. Okay. Oh dear. Oh gosh. Okay. Are we fine? I don't. Okay, we're going to Minecraft. There we go. It's black for you guys. I don't know what this game's gonna look like. I don't know if I should put it on. I don't know if it'll be copyrighted by just like the photos I see. Okay, so how many V's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think it was 15. I don't understand. There's not much here. You know what? I'm just gonna switch back to screen. There we go. Did I mess up the number of V's? Can someone possibly send a link or something like that? What is this garbage fire? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Get copyright striked. Honestly, if I get copyright striked, it's not a big deal. I make about like 2 cents per stream. But yeah, anyways, how do we get this door working? So, basically, if we go over here to animation, there it is. Go to the door animation, click on our door, you can see that there's some keyframes here. And this thing right here, this should call a function, theoretically. Oh, it's only called 4Vs. Got it. Oh, and I said game dev. I did not mean to do that. Okay, V. What is this? What is this game? Can someone explain? I don't know if I should watch the trailer on Strem. BTS topic? BTS? What's BTS doing here? I don't know what this is, Zix. I have no idea. I will watch the stream at some point. Sorry, the video. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that is. Anyways, so back to programming. We need to basically call that function that I was showing earlier. It's this one. It's this one right here. The problem that I'm having is that it doesn't work. I can't find this anywhere. Now, I actually, if I'm being quite honest, I'm using a YouTube video for it. Because I don't know C at all, but I also don't want to bring up a YouTube video on stream for obvious reasons. So I'm questioning about, if I don't see it here, I'm thinking that I just do something else on stream, and I figure that out later. Oh wait, it's right here. Pause animation effect. Okay, great. So now we just have to pause it. Oh dear. Okay. So I think it should be something along the lines of animation. Oh wait, if I don't mention it, no one will notice. So I think animation dot. I think we need to stop the animation. So if we go into here again, let me see what you guys have to say. I'm gonna jump off a bridge. I sent a link. I see no link. Oh, Discord. It's always Discord. Nope, that's my friend Kenzie. I don't see a link. The link may have been stopped from sending. Guys, I don't see a link. I can make a bridge though to jump off of. Here, do you guys want me to make a bridge really fast so I can jump off of it? That shouldn't be that hard. So if we go over here to window, no, sorry, tools, and then we bring up the Pro Builder window, we can just make a quick little bridge. So let's make this like 1. Let's make this like 3. Yeah, that actually works. And then let's make this 10. Alright, there's the bridge. We just need to position it. And well, bam. Okay, great. And now we should be able to jump off the bridge. We got a spamming yes in chat. Oh dear, this looks absolutely horrible. Let us get rid of that. Okay. So now we should be able to. There we go. So here's my bridge. And I never set it to ground, so we can't even jump off of it. Ah, delightful. Oh dear, we have 2 scenes. Can we close that? There we go. So yeah, you actually have to come up here to layer and make this ground. So now I can actually walk on it properly. I sent you a Discord link. Okay, great. I see the notification. Let me jump off this bridge real fast. It's what the viewers want. It's what the viewers ask for. Oh, come on. Can you? Okay, there we go. Got a bridge. It's not really much. It's more of like a plank. But we're going to call it a bridge. Because I don't feel like building anymore. Because I'm going to delete that probably. Or what if we just keep that? We could just keep it. Okay, anyways. We're getting off topic. Let me look at this link. Oh. Okay, you know, I don't care if I get copyright at this point. Okay, this actually does look kind of cute, though. No, I do like how this looks, actually, a lot. It seems like a cute... Oh, yeah, I didn't even think about the fact that it has gravity. I wasn't even looking at that. I just was looking at the guy's little face. Look at that face. It's such a good face. But yeah, this basically looks like what I'm trying to make, except I'm trying to make it 3D. But yeah, this looks about it. I mean, the gravity switching here, well, I'm trying to make it 0 gravity, but I was actually questioning about having gravity flip too. I'm kind of planning to have like different gadgets that you can get along the way that do different things, you know? But yeah, this is cute. This is really cute. I actually might play this on stream at some point. Alright, I think that's... Oh, wow, we're only halfway through. That does look cute, though. I'll give it that. Why is it called VVP, though? That's my question. Okay, but anyways. So we need to get this door working, or we could do something else. Now, what I'm thinking, actually, is right now, if we just jump and pause gravity, we float, nothing else does. Everything else will be affected by gravity still. So what I'm thinking is that we make other things affected by gravity too. So for example, this thing, here, let's get the light off here. I don't know why I still have the light in here, but we should probably get that in the sky. Like I was saying, so we have this guy. This guy was just kind of here. Looks identical to the player. Yes, the player is just a red cylinder. I don't know why. Let me see what people have to say. That's why I thought you should look at it. Yeah, I genuinely think it's cute. Grinning face with sweet sweat. I can't read. It's because spikes in the game look like a bunch of Oh, that's actually funny. Hello, Drippy Man. Derp. Like, I'm literally dying. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for killing you, Zix. I do apologize. That's not my intentions. Anyway, so this guy. We should add a rigid body to him. Done. So now with this, you can actually decide if it's affected by gravity simply by checking or de-checking this. That's why actually, if we go into player movement over here, I learned all my stuff through tutorials, but when it came to actually making the character, I had to do a good amount of things on my own. Why are there errors? Okay, they're gone now. I had to do a few things on my own because basically it was controlling the character in a different way, but I needed it to be a rigid body. That way I could super easily control if the player was affected by gravity or not. Right here. So now I'm planning to basically make another script. We can just... right here. And we can call it gravity. Okay, great. There we go. Now, basically, if we open... Oh, what was that error? What's happening? Oh, did I not finish up? I did not. We're just going to get rid of that. I'm going to do that off stream when I can actually look at a video. Because, yeah, I'll admit, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I need tutorial videos, guys. I'm just trying to have fun today. So basically what we can do here is we can get rid of the start. Instead of we can detect if the input, we need to do input first. Now we can do key down or get key. We want to just get the key. So this will fire every single time this key is... Oh no, we want to do if key is down, don't we? Yeah. So we want to do instead get key down. So this will fire only once when the key is pressed. We don't want to keep on switching the gravity. So now basically if that happens... Oh no, wait. What we can actually do, hear me out, is instead of, let's just get rid of this so we don't encounter any errors first. What if we just detect if the player has gravity, and if it does, then everything else has gravity. If it doesn't, then nothing has gravity. That way, it doesn't have to worry about, like, things getting weirdly, like, one thing has gravity, the other one doesn't. You know what I'm saying? What are you doing? I just joined the stream. I'm making a game. I'm trying to make a game. 20 years later, he just remembers he can steal people's code. I know I can steal people's code. I've stolen a lot of people's code. But preferably we just don't talk about that. Why is that? What is happening there? When it comes to stuff like Unity, which I also will sometimes do, I steal people's code a lot. Like, a lot. Like, that's all I do is I just snatch. And then I'm like, this is mine now. Go write new code so I can steal more. What's happening here? Open door. Yes, what about it? Identifier expected. Where? What doesn't, there's nowhere. That looks, you're looking for a semicolon, but where am I missing a semicolon? I think everything has one. I don't understand. Yeah, this is the open door script. Okay, if we go to scripts, did I just not save this? Do I just have to save it so now it's happy? It's happy. I just didn't save it. Okay, so Derby Man, I'm showing you what my game is. So, oh dear. Where did that red cylinder go? Did it just fall through? We're just gonna put it nice and high. So now if we try this again, we should be able to watch it fall. If it's just falling through. We'll fix that later. So basically this is my game. So WASD, to move. We can look with the mouse, so first person, whatnot. You can jump. The fun thing about this, the puzzle thing about this, is if you jump and press E, or if you just hold E, if you just have E pressed down, it turns off gravity. So gravity off, gravity's on, and now gravity's off. And I can release E to put gravity on, now I'm pressing it down again, so gravity's off. There is air drag, air resistance, so you'll slow down eventually and then just stop. If you're midair and you press WASD, you cannot move at all. It won't let you move. And then if I go onto a wall, now I can move, because now I have something to grip and push off of. I can't move up, because I didn't program it to. And, yeah, if I also push off of the wall, like this, now I can't move. Gives you a boost, but that's it. Okay, so back to what we're doing. So this thing needs to be able to collide with the ground. Does this just not... This doesn't have a rigid body of itself. This needs just a collider, though. Mesh collider. Right here. Does it need a box collider? It is more like a box than anything else. Now if we just delete this, remove component, there we go. A box collider should work better for this thing. If this doesn't work, then I don't understand Unity at all. And apparently I don't understand Unity at all. Okay, what do people have to say? Good, I have big brain damaged. I'm not a programmer, but I know game design. That's good, because if you think of some levels that I could possibly steal, that would be great, because I don't know what to do. Okay, so we need to get this thing to interact with the ground. This has a rigid body. Oh, does this just not have a collider? Can we just add a capsule collider? That all that was that the problem? Well, I don't think that was right. I don't think that's correct. Okay. Sure. Let's bring this down. And let's look at that collider. Let's look at what's happening here. If we go over to this thing, if we open it up, oh, there it is. I see it. You guys see that? I think that's it. Is that it? I don't think that's it, actually. How do we see this? What if we go to 0.8? Oh, now I can see it. Okay, but that looks fine-ish. It looks right. Oh, no, so that was it. Yeah, that looks correct. So why did it stop so weirdly? Is this one not correct? Is this collider messed up? This collider looks correct. Okay, we're just gonna play it and see what happens. Because theoretically, it's inside of it, right? Okay. Okay. Sure. Does anyone understand what's happening? You should make an actual player, not a cylinder. I can't do 3D modeling that well. Actually, I've worked with 3D modeling. I do Blender quite a lot, but not humanoid 3D modeling. That I don't know how to do. My plan is just to get a rough thing, and then I'll figure out other stuff on the way. So if we look at this, actually, the grid for it is high, which doesn't make much sense, because that should be on the bottom of it. No? No? Yeah, the grid is on the bottom for that one. Okay, so maybe we just don't worry about this one yet. I don't understand how it's not working. That's... Oh, wait, this is all inside game object. We probably don't want it to be parented to anything. That's probably the problem here. Nope. Oh, great. Is the chat delayed? Chat delayed's a little bit, but not much. I just don't check every second. Just wondering what's the main gameplay loop? Gameplay loop. What's the main gameplay loop? Like the loop that plays every second? Is that what you're saying? I don't think that's what you're saying. Nailed it. Yep. Nope. Make a Minecraft character instead of a cylinder. That would actually be really easy, I think. I would, but I'm not known for appropriate art. Tea? Or at least a bean. I can possibly make this into a bean. Here, let's see. Oh, I did not mean to press that. Okay, wait, what is this game object? Oh dear. Is this an empty? Oh. What? America, explain! That's a character controller. We don't want... Oh. I'm remembering why this is here. This cylinder used to be my other player, and then I switched it because I wanted to redo how I controlled it. So if we just got rid of that, hey, yay, it's working now. I'm happy. Okay, that glitched in a little bit, but it's not a huge deal. Okay, great. But if we press E, this thing still has gravity affected, which we don't want. Let me see. Claw, yes. What did Claw say? Oh, a bean. You guys want me to make a bean? Okay. Portal's main gameplay loop is getting box, place box on button, move to next room. Okay, so I see what you're saying. I don't know. Period, question mark. I understand what you're... Oh, I didn't know you could do that. I understand what you're saying. I honestly just don't know what it is yet. I'm trying to figure things out as I go along. Anyways, so now we need this thing to be affected by zero gravity, which means that we literally should just be able to... Oh, wait, I already placed that script in here, didn't I? There it is now. Like I was saying. So if we go into gravity, if we go into that script, and we basically locate the other cylinder, our player, so we can call it I can't spell. Transform. And then we type in the name PLR. I think that's it. Okay, great. And now we go into here. We can look on this guy who has the gravity script, and we forgot to save this. Or I forgot to save this. I'm not blaming you guys for me forgetting to do something. That's not at all what's happening here. Where is my script? There it is, and it's still not working. Okay. So what did I do wrong here? Is PLR an actual thing? Huh. What if we just name it player? Still goes gray. Okay, how did I do in other scripts? Let's see. Player movement. Oh, I think I just need to do public. I think that we just need to say public before it. And that should just say that everything can use this, you know? There we go. That should work. Doop-a-doop-boop. Game dev hours, indeed. Except it's only going to be an hour. We're already halfway through. My brother's streaming tonight. I'm trying to find you a model because your character is triggering T. Watch a video by Danny. He's really good. Probably won't do that. What do you mean, Minty? It's perfect then. Looks exactly like a punching bag. Exactly. Claw. Claw or brackies? I actually don't understand what you mean, but that's chill. Okay, anyways. So, back to this. I think I already saved this. And now if we go over here, and we click on our thing that we want to have zero gravity. There we go. That's what we want. So now we just need to drag this cylinder into over here. Into that. So now basically whenever we call player in the script, it'll think that we're talking about this cylinder, which we are. So that's what we want. That's good. That's a good thing. So if we do player dot rigid Oh, I did not mean to click on that. Okay, wait, how do we get the rigid body? Oh, wait, I think I just need to... I think I need to somehow get this into the cylinder thing. If that makes sense. Because we need to specify that we're talking about this thing. So theoretically, we should need to drag this into where we put the player into this thing right here. How do we do that? Oh, well, this looks helpful. Could we? No, we cannot. Why can't we? That's the question. That's the age-old question. Let's look at our player movement. See how... Okay, so we should look for specifically the rigid body, I think. That way we can just put it in, and then it'll be like, oh, you're looking for the rigid body? Let's go grab the rigid body for you. So instead of transform, should be rigid body player. Now I think that should work. Maybe. So now if we call player dot grab... Oh, wait, no. Use... Oop. Use gravity. We should actually put this in if statement because we want to see if it's using gravity or not. So if player dot use gravity. Honestly, I think that's all we need. I don't think we even need to add like if it's true. And then we just need to add this. And then I think we need to just get the rigid body. So public rigid body. So this is the rigid body from the thing that we want to affect. We're just going to call it RB. And then we just have to say here RB dot use gravity equals true. And I think that should be about it. There's a few other things that you have to do actually though, is add an else statement. So this is basically saying if it isn't using gravity, then we also want this thing to not use gravity. So RB use gravity equals false. Coding's really not that hard, guys. It's really easy. Alright, what do you guys have to say? I think he needs an actual concept of a game loop because this is going to limit the mechanics more than anything else. Agree. It's gonna be basically Portal. I want to say that a lot. I do want to do a Portal-like game. So you're gonna be going through rooms and completing puzzles with this sort of stuff. But yeah, YouTube's stupid and doesn't let you comment links. That it's so funny you comment that actually, because that comment was blocked. I had to accept it, which I find funny. Or say in chat using Unity because RIP Unreal Engine. I know Unreal Engine. I have not worked in the Unreal Engine. I know Unity and I don't know Unity, but I've heard of Unity. Now I'm learning Unity. Am I right, chat? You need a door and a way to activate door, but if everything is floating, triggering the door is going to be really inconsistent. True. Except triggering the door is only going to happen with the player being around. I think if you really want to get a game loop out of me, it's going to be float up to door, open door, find next door. I think that's the general game loop. It's either going to be super inconsistent or way too easy. We'll see. You haven't even finished the first level, and this is 12 hours in the making. Programming takes time, guys. I've literally started learning Unity 4 days ago. Totally, completely new programming language. So I don't know exactly what I'm doing still. So give me a break. But if we go back to this guy. And then we just click and drag his rigid body down to RB. So that should work. Hey, there we go. Got the correct rigid body now. Okay. So, theoretically, that should possibly work. Yeah, it works. Okay, great. So yeah, gravity's off. There it goes. Look at that. Can you float up with me? Ooh. Well, ain't this just cool? Yeah, so that's working now. So basically we just shove that into anything that we want to not be nailed down to the floor. We'll probably add some extra parameters. Such as like if it's oh shoot, will I not? Okay, no, this is ground, isn't it? What was I saying? I want to say something, but I don't know what I'm saying. Oh yeah, we'll probably add some other things like being able to pick this thing up when you want to, and also okay. Oh yeah, there we go. I can't think. I'm having fun messing around with this little thing. Oh wait, let us have this thing float. Let's put it up in the air, and when we start, let's immediately press E. Be holding down E. Oh, that didn't go as well as I hoped it would. It's fine. Okay, so I'm thinking about having two different gadgets. First, you start off with only being able to do zero gravity for yourself, and then as time goes on, you get another one that lets you control other things. Like this. Because this is cool. You can also switch to the drag. So what is the drag set to for now? This drag is set to 0, so this thing will go on forever. This one is set to 0.5. So we probably want to set them to the same thing. So we'll do that at startup. So void start. There we go. Why is this private? We don't care if it's private or not. There we go. So basically we should need to get player dot drag equals, oh wait, no, sorry, we should do rb dot drag equals player dot drag semicolon. Save, and I think we're good. Alright, what does chat have to say? What does chat have to say? Oh, chat has to say quite a bit. You haven't even finished the first, oh, I already read that. That's sad. I get to see you guys. L8TR. Gotta go. Chill. Your gamer is so good. Oh, your grammar is so good. Thanks, man. No, you're joking. Anyways, I placed a light source and empty project in Unreal Engine and it broke my computer. Since then, my interest in game development died very quickly. That's valid. You need a decent computer to run stuff like this. Portal out. With what you have already, I was just climbing, being a main mechanic, climbing on walls. Yeah, I'm thinking about adding that. It's somewhat harder to add, but we'll think about it. We'll figure it out. Portal -1. You should either make it no shadow or make a model. I can make it no shadow, probably. Can you be okay? Okay, there we go. How do we get rid of shadow? There should be something in here that just literally disables shadows. Lighting. Cast shadow. Off. There you go. No shadow. Wabam. He's a cylinder though. I'm not wrong. You're not wrong, Zix. I am just a cylinder right now. This will change if I actually continue with this game. And so far, I'm liking this game. So far, I do want to continue it. Anyways, so let's test it out. Basically, if we go into here now, this should actually have drag, though. Does it? Yeah, it's slowing down. So this should have the same amount of drag as the player does, though. Which is good. That's good. So if we exit out of here, and instead of maximize on play, we take that off. We take that out, and now we hit play again. Oh, whoa. Okay, so mouse sensitivity is going crazy. We should fix that. I think I know that's happening. Now we can actually click on things from here. So yeah, now this drag's set to 0.5. If we set it to something like 1, should... Oh no, we'll stay as that, because it only changes the second the game starts. I should make it so it's not like that, though. But we can also change the drag on the player now. So now if we go back, he'll stop a lot faster. But if we go back and we change that to 0, all of a sudden, I'm never going to stop. Ever. I'm just going to continue on to space. And while I do this, let's see what you guys have to say. I don't care if Portal -1 has shadows or not. I just want to play. Fair point. LOL. Same. I have an idea. Make stupid secrets. Stupid secrets, like you mean in Portal? How there's the... Actually, it's not a stupid secret. Are you talking like little Easter eggs in the game? Or... I'm guessing that's what you're talking about. I have... Oh, wait, I just read that. Grabbing. I should also allow grabbing, yes. You're just mad. You're just mad I'm sexy and I know it. I screenshot it and I cancel you on my Twitter. No. Go for it. No one watches my stuff anyways. LOL. Spam 0.3. Yeah. Yee. Alright. I'm caught up on comments now, and let us fall back to Earth. guys can see our Y decreasing right here. Oh, that happened very fast at the last second. Okay, we should fix mouse sensitivity. And the reason behind why it was so fast was wrong. We should just be able to change this to like 25F, and that'll be half now. Eventually we'll also make a main menu that lets you change some settings. What is this, chat? I don't know. And the next comment is, who knows? I have an idea for a game loop. It should be like a wait, oh shoot. 1 second. My phone just literally turned off while I was reading that. Metro Divination. Wait, that was not divination. There was no N at the end. Metro Divania. Guys, please don't judge me. I really suck at grammar. That's like one thing that I really, really struggle in. What is this? I mean, it looks cool. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just having fun trying to work out a game and how it works. I don't really care about game loop yet. When TN reads your comment, fast. I killed him. My watch just dinged. Okay, I have 10 minutes. Let's figure out something to do. So we already got that working, though, which I'm happy about. We can go back into gravity and change it so that this updates every single frame. We just copy that and we go into here and we paste it, and there we go. Now it'll update every single frame, so now it'll match the player. I'm thinking that basically you can enter rooms with less air, which will make it so that you're a little bit more dizzy as time goes on, and eventually you'll die if you stay in there too long, but also you'll have less drag, which means that you can go farther without stopping. So we'll see about that. Anyways, let's see what we can do here. Now, I really want to try basically making a little thing that shoots you up high into the sky. Because I want to see how well this will work. If basically there's something that pushes you, how well the zero gravity will continue that momentum. I don't know if it'll just, like, hit you and then you'll stop, or if you'll continue onto the sky. Because I want you to continue onto the sky, but video games are sometimes weird unless you code them correctly. So if we take this thing, and we make it really long, there we go. So we just make it pretty long, not that long, a little bit less long. I mean, that should work. And then we grab it. We should probably rotate this. That should be good enough. We should also probably scale it on the other two axes. Oh, not what I meant to do. There we go. So it's a little bit wider now. And then we grab it again. And we move it over here. Okay, so now we just need to create a really quick animation for this thing. So we go over here to animation, create animation. There it is. And then we can call this push. And then we double click on push. We select this, we hit create, and we can just call it push.anim. Oh. Wait, it does? Oh, it does. Let's just call it push thing .anim. There we go. And then we basically just have it start. So now we're recording. So start like that, and then it should launch you really fast. So okay, that's fine. Would you play though? It'd be nice if you would play, but it's whatever if you don't. Okay, I guess it won't play. So we'll just have to estimate. So I'm thinking 20. At this point, it should push pretty fast. This is just temporary. I just want to see what will happen. And then it should slowly come back to where it was before. So we should be able to just copy this and go out to about here. Paste. Okay, so now let's see if this will play. Well, I want no comments on how this looks. If you make a comment, you'll be banned. Something like that. Okay. So now we have more things. With things. A lot of things. So now we should see how this interacts with the player. Okay, yeah, I'm just getting pushed off to the side right now. Which isn't exactly what I want. But I hold E. Let me get around it again. Yeah. Yeah, not exactly what I wanted. So I'm just being pushed right now. I think that this collider. Yeah. We don't want that. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of the collider. And let's add a mesh collider. So this should go a little bit better with the cylinder itself. Hopefully that works out better. The capsule collider is the default for cylinders, which is probably better, but this is more what I want. So let's see if it, yeah, I'm still not here. This doesn't look right though. So let's get a good view from here, from this side. Oh. Yeah, it's just kind of glitching out. Oh, that looked good. But yeah, it's not consistent. I think that the mesh. Yeah, and then when I do get pushed, I just stay here. I'm holding E. Yeah, that's not right. That's not good. Let's see what you guys have to say. I would focus on enemies later. As a more of a puzzle style game, I would focus more on getting the item mechanics first. You're probably right, yeah. Yeah. I want to get that door working. That's my main goal. First steps. Then I probably, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see just where it goes. Spring from Sonic. That actually might be fun. Have a super spring. Oh, wait, we can make it so, like, gravity is, like, harder on you. That might be interesting. So, like, you have more force as you come down on a spring. And then you release it at a nice timing. Or switch to no gravity and then you just go flying off into the distance. That would be fun. I don't know why you don't give it a static form and just set your velocity at an angle from the thing. Thinking about how to do that. That might work, actually. If it's touching this. Oh, I have an idea. You just gave me a good idea. Oh, you just gave me a really good idea. Okay, I'm excited for that now. Portal 1's gravity be like... You're not wrong. So you touch it and it sets your velocity. So what I'm actually thinking is you touch it and it sets a force, which is basically the same thing as your velocity. And it pushes you in the correct direction, but it only sets it once in a while, and it... Yeah. Yeah. That's a good idea. I could do that pretty easily, too. So basically, we just need to set up a quick collider, so we can actually get rid of... no, we want to set up a rigid body, don't we? Yeah, we want to set up a rigid body, so... Get that rigid body. And we want to do it. Is it not rigid body? What is it? What do we need? It is a collider. Okay, never mind. So get rid of the rigid body. Instead, we want to get another. Actually, a capsule would probably be better for this. And then we set is trigger, and then we just need to make it larger. How much larger? I mean, actually, I think this should be fine. Let's just make the height like 3. I mean, it's not exactly what I want, though. Okay, well, we actually want to make this, the radius more like 0.4, 0.45. That's a little bit better. So basically, if you're touching this at the right time, it'll shoot you off this green box that you guys are seeing. You're literally trying to help and you're not coding. You are helping actually quite a lot. This just gave me a good idea. Wait, check for collision with the object of the collision. Yes, yeah, okay. LOL. He is a game developer. If you want to become a game developer and work on this with me, I think Unity has like a partner, like work on a thing that we can do theoretically. Okay, so that should be fine enough. So if you hit that, it should trigger. So now we just need to go into scripts, create a new script. Oh shoot, I need to get off. Well, that sucks. Yeah, alright. That's too bad. I do have to stop stream. I appreciate the Zix for the idea. I will get that working and I'll let you know if it works. My brother's now going to take over. I'll send his his thing out in chat. So if we go over to twitch.tv/Canty with 2 A's, that's where he is at. You guys want to go check him out? Tell him that I sent you. If you don't want to check him out, I don't blame you. PG-13 or up. Wait, 18 years. 18 or older is what I should have said. 18 or older. I think he's actually going to be drawing today, but he swears. He's also going to be drawing with a friend. There's a link. Go check him out. Oh, no, try to bear. Yeah, sorry, man. I'm just about to get off. But I appreciate you joining the stream. Still do. Hope to see you guys at some point in the future. I don't know if I'll be doing a game development stream again. I had an hour, and I've always wanted to try a game development stream, so I was like, let's just see what happens. But yeah, see you guys later. Go check out my brother if you want. If not, I don't blame you.